Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts while you work. Once done, remove any interior trunk liners or access panels, exposing the tail housing screws. This gives you direct reach. Use tape to protect nearby paint and a flashlight to inspect fasteners. Start removing visible screws with a 10 mm socket or Torx T20. If clips remain, gently pry with a flat plastic tool. These first steps expose the lens mounting points so you can proceed safely. With mounting bolts removed, you support the lens with one hand and locate the retaining tabs or catches. Depress or rotate them as required so the lens can clear the housing. Once a tab releases, work around the perimeter, freeing each clip sequentially to avoid cracking plastic. If the lens is sealed with adhesive, score the seam lightly and use a plastic pry tool to separate without gouging. Keep steady pressure and back off if resistance spikes, since forcing will break tabs. You now lift the lens straight out from the housing, watching gasket position so you can reinstall it the same way. A misaligned gasket causes leaks. Once removed, clean the mating surfaces and inspect the gasket. Replace it if cracked or compressed. Before final assembly, reconnect the bulb or wiring and test the light to confirm sealing and operation. Finally, seat the lens, engage all tabs and torque bolts evenly. If water appears later, recheck gasket seating and clip integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.